Welcome to another unboxing video for the Volkswagen Transporter T5.1 barn door smoked LED rear lights. These fit the 2010 to 2015 models. So let's get them unboxed. As you can see, these are packaged really well. This rear light kit is fully LED except the reverse light, which takes a bulb. They are complete with all the resistors to ensure no bulb errors. Ideally these should be stuck onto a metal surface as they do get hot. On a Transporter there is two different indicator bulb types. This kit comes with both, so choose the correct one for your vehicle. These are designed to accept the original bulb holders from the van, and the bulb adapters twist into the bulb holders. This set is not suitable for vehicles fitted with sport line rear lights as they are different shape. These lights are fully road legal, E-marked and MOT compliant. Let's get them illuminated.